Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. First up this evening, music, water and paint. Downtown Kingston was transformed into the ultimate fete today. The Exodus Carnival event reignited talks about downtown Kingston's commercial potential. Romar Lyons has details.
These headlines have blanketed downtown Kingston in recent years, but the space is more than it's perceived to be. Stakeholders say the area is ripe with potential. Another reminder came on Easter Monday with the staging of the Wet Music Festival by Exodus Carnival. Patrons believe that with more events in the space, the stigma that downtown Kingston is unsafe will slowly vanish.
The great thing about it is that the locations in terms of parking, there's a lot of security. It was enclosed, you know what I mean? So that put my mind and my friends' minds at ease.
The fact that downtown can be incorporated into the general things, general happenings, things like carnival, so people are able, the locals are able to be a part of it.
It actually works out properly because the events give a rustic vibe as well as enough space for us to dirty party soaker in.
The Jamaica Social Investment Fund says the downtown area is gradually coming alive again as various infrastructural developments continue to unfold. In this crowd, people traveling from outside the Caribbean. Visitors who want to stay in the capital city say it's a major pull downtown. Joel from Honduras has been visiting Jamaica for 22 years.
Once the organizer is in touch with the community, there will be no problem because the community will protect, because they want people to come in and not bother anybody.
There's also the economic side to the argument. When the water stops and the foam dries, vendors say more people means more sales.
I don't know for others. I like it. It's very good. Yes, it's good for business, but not so good. You know, I think they should spend more with us. You understand?
People are fear of downtown. But since the past them start keep, you see all Chinese downtown now. For me, just see 2 Chinese a while ago. Japanese downtown. And normally, you don't see them thing there. At the event, bring those type of people downtown.
So you want more of them events in that space?
So more event keep, more people like those come on.
Now, these events cannot go on without security companies, including law enforcement. Guards, too, work to uncuff downtown from negative stereotypes.
It's a job that we have to fulfill, you understand? Make the people them feel safe. So when people are come a party, them feel secure. You understand? I'm reaching at the party safe. When party safe, when them leave, them leave safe. You understand? No fight. None of that, no stealing, no car broken, you know? Yeah man, Cyclops. See what I say?
Romar Lyons, TVJ News.